Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about ARC Raiders error code ARMR0100. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play with friends. Some users mentioned they are unable to see others ready up, while others shared they can't queue with friends. According to our research, the error may be caused by VPN conflicts, network issues, game file corruption, or improper system settings. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to disable any VPN. If you are using any VPN services, turn them off and then check if the game allows you to party up. If the error still comes, then verify the integrity of game files on Steam. To do this, go to your Steam library and right-click on ARC Raiders, then select Properties, and then go to the Local Files tab. Then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the scan completes, check if the error still comes. If the error continues, then try disabling IPv6. After disabling IPv6, restart the game and your PC. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error persists, then also try setting custom DNS. Go to your network settings and set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.8.4. After applying the changes, check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then open Steam and go to Manage under ARC Raiders. Then find the local game data and open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Then run the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup file, then go back and run the Easy Anti-Cheat installer. After that, run the same installer again as administrator, and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try switching to another Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, and check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, add a custom rule in the Windows firewall to allow all network communications for the game, and check if this resolves the error. At last, if nothing helps, then try using a VPN. Some users have shared that using a VPN has resolved the issue for them, so give this a try and check if this helps you too. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.